Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I'm going to show you how to draw something like this. That could be a sun and you could do a lot with it. Let's just move this out of the way and you can see how the black box makes it quite a bit different. I'm going to go ahead and draw it with a black box on it. I'm going to turn that black. I'm going to take an ellipse and I'm going to make it yellow. And I'm going to take away the outline. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Then I'm going to use the Destort tool. And I'm going to set my Destort on zipper and go 95. And then it doesn't change anything till you go here, and let's go 95 there. And you get that. Now see how it's evenly spaced out? But if you'll get the Destort tool again and go right here to random, and it gives you that splatter look. Now that might be too much going on, and you could localize distortion, have it, well, there we go. You could do that, but I think this right here is pretty cool, and you could do a lot with this. With that selected, you could get the interactive fill tool, swipe across, go to elliptical, put it in the center, and it kind of looks like it's hot. Let's get a burnt orange and put it in the center, and there you go. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.